There is a shortage of EMS workers all across the nation, and we've brought you some of those stories locally. It's a job that many people may be interested in, but they aren't quite sure if they're cut out for. Well, a 2-week camp for high school students in Guilford County is giving them a peek at what a career in the field would be like. It's a great example of what's right with our schools.
Medic 27, respond emergency traffic to 7101 Spencer Dixon Road.
It looks
Sir, are you still
feel like you're gonna be sick.
and sounds real. This mock car crash was enough to get these Camp Med first responders adrenaline flowing.
seeing this safe? It definitely felt like a real situation.
The drill gave these Guilford County high school students a chance to put their newly acquired skills to the test.
And resume.
The students took part in the first ever Camp Med First Responders program held at Northern Guilford High School. It is a 2-week camp designed to give participants a look at what it's like to be an emergency medical technician.
At first, I thought it was just like, not really an easy job, but I thought it was something like, you know, it's not that hard to get into, but it's definitely something that you have to have a love for to do. So yeah, it was definitely an eye-opener, this camp was.
Just as it was designed to be, it's fast-paced.
Patient assessment is weeks of learning, and they have learned it mostly in 2 days.
So her respiratory rate is 22, her heart rate is 100.
2 days they took healthcare provider level CPR. So that's the same CPR that doctors take, nurses take, paramedics take, EMTs take.
Clear.
All that activity allowed the students to get certifications that will help them their entire life.
We've learned everything like to wound care, how to give CPR, how to work the AED. We've learned all sorts of stuff.
Now we have information that we would have never had before. We have our BLS certification. We know how to stop bleeds. We know how to maintain the calmness in situations where most people won't.
According to Wirtz, who's an EMT herself, that's one of the most important things these students will learn this summer.
Every call, you're gonna get that adrenaline rush, but you have to be the calm one. You have to take charge of that situation, because even if it's something that's not critical, patients think that it's the worst time in their life. So they have to be calm. They have to know how to take control of a situation.
She saw they were able to do just that with the mock car crash.
It's one thing to learn things in a classroom, but then you get on an ambulance and run a call and you're like, wow, I didn't learn this in class. So that's why we do scenarios like this, make it as real world as possible so they know what to expect.
The camp also has many of the students rethinking their career paths.
I've always wanted to do something in the medical field. I originally wanted to be a pharmacist, but when I saw the opportunity for this camp, I decided to take it because I definitely feel like it's beneficial.
It's definitely been something that I've thought about over the last few days, especially coming to this camp over the last week or so.
A summer camp leading to a lifetime of saving lives.
It is the start of something very, very amazing.
Well, the camp is a preview to 2 new class programs at Northern and Southern Guilford High Schools. At Northern, students can take public safety classes, while at Southern, the students will be studying to be EMTs. Both classes also work in conjunction with Guilford County Emergency Services, hoping to be a feeder program to alleviate the EMT and paramedic shortage in the county.